Investing is a topic that, at first glance, may appear to be confined to the realms of finance and economics, but in reality, it permeates every aspect of our lives. It's not just about stocks, bonds, or real estate. It's about choices. It's about the belief in potential, the anticipation of future returns, and the willingness to take calculated risks. When we talk about investment, we often focus on the tangible assets, the numbers that dance across spreadsheets, and the graphs that plot our financial trajectories. However, true investment transcends the mere act of allocating resources. It embodies a mindset, a philosophy of growth, and a commitment to a vision. Consider the concept of investing in oneself. This is perhaps the most profound investment one can make. It's about dedicating time and effort to personal development, acquiring new skills, and broadening horizons. Whether it's enrolling in a course, attending workshops, or simply reading books that challenge our perspectives, every moment spent on self-improvement is a seed planted for future growth. The dividends of such investments are not always immediate. They may take years to manifest, but the compounding effect of knowledge and experience can yield returns that far exceed any financial investment. We often hear the phrase, "knowledge is power," but it is also wealth. Wealth that can never be taken away, and that grows exponentially as we share it with others. In the realm of professional life, investing in relationships is equally crucial. Networking may seem like a transactional endeavor, but at its core, it's about building authentic connections. Each conversation, each shared experience, is an investment in trust and understanding. In a world that often prioritizes immediate results, the long-term benefits of nurturing relationships can be staggering. A single connection, cultivated over time, can open doors to opportunities that would have otherwise remained closed. It's not just about what you know, it's about who you know and how deeply you engage with them. The best investments are those that foster collaboration, encouraging a flow of ideas and resources that can elevate everyone involved. Now, let's pivot to the more traditional forms of investment, the financial markets. The stock market, for instance, is a living organism, constantly evolving and responding to the myriad factors that influence it. Understanding this ecosystem requires more than just a grasp of numbers. It demands a keen awareness of global events, economic indicators, and market psychology. It's a dance of risk and reward, where every decision is a reflection of one's beliefs about the future. Successful investors are not merely lucky. They are informed, discerning, and patient. They understand that volatility is an inherent part of the journey. They embrace it, knowing that the market's fluctuations can present opportunities for those willing to act decisively. Real estate investment offers another avenue for growth, one that is often perceived as more stable compared to the stock market. Property is tangible. It's a physical asset that can generate income and appreciate over time. However, entering the real estate market requires due diligence, research, and a clear strategy. It's not just about buying low and selling high. It's about understanding the dynamics of location, market trends, and the needs of potential tenants or buyers. The best real estate investors are those who can envision the potential of a property, who can see beyond the current state and imagine what it could become with the right vision and investment. Yet, in all these discussions about investment, we must not overlook the importance of social and ethical considerations. Impact investing has gained traction as more individuals and organizations seek to align their financial goals with their values. This approach acknowledges that investment can be a powerful tool for social change. By directing capital toward businesses and projects that prioritize sustainability, social justice, and community development, investors can generate returns that benefit not only their portfolios, but also society at large. This is a paradigm shift, one that recognizes that profit and purpose are not mutually exclusive, but can coexist harmoniously. As we navigate the complexities of investment, we must also confront our fears and biases. The psychology of investing is a fascinating field that delves into how emotions influence our decisions. Fear of loss, the allure of quick gains, and the pressure of societal expectations can cloud our judgment. It's essential to cultivate self-awareness and discipline, to approach investment with a clear mind and a well-defined strategy. This is where education plays a critical role. By arming ourselves with knowledge, we can mitigate the impact of psychological traps and make informed decisions that align with our long-term goals. Moreover, diversification emerges as a fundamental principle in investment strategy. The age-old adage of not putting all your eggs in one basket rings true across all forms of investment. Spreading resources across various asset classes, industries, and geographies can reduce risk and enhance the potential for returns. It's a balancing act, one that requires constant monitoring and adjustment as market conditions change. The ability to adapt and pivot in response to new information is what separates successful investors from those who falter. In conclusion, investment is a multifaceted concept that extends far beyond financial transactions. It is a commitment to growth, both personally and professionally. It is about building relationships, understanding markets, and making choices that reflect our values and aspirations. Whether we are investing in ourselves, in others, or in tangible assets, the principles remain the same: patience, diligence, and a willingness to embrace uncertainty. As we move forward in our investment journeys, let us remember that every decision we make is an opportunity to shape our future. Let us invest wisely, not only for our own benefit, but for the collective good of society. After all, the most meaningful investments are those that create a positive impact, leaving a legacy that extends far beyond our individual lives.